In this lecture, I will show a few additional ways to make your profile attractive and give the client a variety of options through which to collaborate with you. The first way is to create your video presentation. Upwork gives you the opportunity to upload your video presentation to your profile. It helps you convince the client that your avatar is real, share language knowledge, present the way you are working, and emphasize important things if needed. If you don't have such a video and wish to create one, that's okay. You can just upload the video with a show reel of completed projects of the process of working, etc. It also works well and can stimulate the customer to continue working with you. Another direction you can go is to create your favors at a fixed price. We have already discussed the projects catalog when analyzing existing offers. The services offered in this catalog are the best indicators of how much clients are willing to pay for small one-time projects. Of course, this format may not be suitable for all professions, and even in cases where there are offers from freelancers, clients are not always interested. However, if you have standardized services that you want to sell at a fixed price, I highly recommend you list them in the project catalog. At the very least, it provides another option for a visually appealing presentation of your services to clients. Who knows, maybe the description of one of your typical services will convince the client of your expertise. I would recommend you pay attention to certain kinds of services in the project catalog, such as consultation. The section with this service will appear as an eye-catching call to action immediately after the first 500 characters of your profile description. Similar to other services with fixed price from the project's catalog, the consultation format is also not the most popular among customers. By the way, this format might be the best way to sell your specialization.